Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of a Zee Zee plant. These resilient plants are perfect for beginners, tolerating a wide range of conditions. They prefer bright, indirect light, but can also thrive in lower light environments. Just be sure to keep them out of direct sun, which can burn their leaves. Rotating your plant every few weeks helps ensure even growth and a balanced shape. When it comes to watering your Zee Zee plant, less is often more. These plants store water in their rhizomes, making them very drought tolerant. Water thoroughly when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch. It's crucial to let the soil dry out completely between waterings to prevent root rot. In winter, you'll likely water even less frequently, perhaps every 3 to 4 weeks. For optimal health, your Zee Zee plant needs a well-draining potting mix. A standard houseplant mix amended with perlite or sand works wonderfully. These plants are not heavy feeders. You can fertilize them once or twice during their active growing season, typically spring and summer. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength to avoid over-fertilizing. Zee Zee plants are generally pest-resistant, but occasionally you might spot spider mites or mealybugs. Regularly inspect your plant and wipe down leaves with a damp cloth to keep them clean and deter pests. If you want to expand your collection, Zee Zee plants are easy to propagate. Simply take a stem or leaf cutting and place it in water or moist soil and watch it grow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.